In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use video effects in Sony Vegas. So I'm going to take this clip and I'm going to pull it down here to the timeline, and it's a clip of a woman doing a yoga pose, and it doesn't have any audio with it. That's why we don't see any audio file down here. But to add a video effect, some type of special effect to this clip, there's a couple of ways we can do it in Sony Vegas. Now, I had talked previously about this funny little icon that will appear, and this is actually called an event FX, but it has to deal with video effects. So if I click on it, that's going to come up with this window where we can apply stuff, but this is really confusing and it doesn't make sense to us. So we don't want to use that guy. Instead, what we want to do is go over here to video effects, and that's going to come up with a list of numerous effects that Sony Vegas comes with, and I'll let you play with them if you want, but I'll just demonstrate this one right here. Say I want to add noise, where I want to make this look like maybe a bad TV reception. I can grab this guy, for example, and I just pull it onto the clip, and you can see the noise is added, and a window will be right here where I can adjust the noise level as well as a number of other things. If I go ahead and close this window, I can play it. You can see the effect. I'm thinking, well, that's great, but I want to get rid of it. How do I do that? Now I can go back and click on this guy right here, Event FX, and the window will pop up where I can either just turn the guy off, or I can go over here and get rid of him entirely. Okay, and we have a number of options we can use. For example, I can do the same thing with black and white if I want this clip black and white. Pull it down here, and everything's black and white. I can switch to their presets where it's 25% black and white or 50% black and white, or the amount. Okay, so that's how that works. So I want to get rid of this guy. I can turn it off. Like I said, it comes with a number of things that we can do, and most of these you'll probably never use, but I wanted to make you familiar with what these video effects were, because later on in this course, when I'm editing an actual video that I would put out to the public, and when you're editing your actual videos that you'll put out to the public, there's going to be certain video effects that you're going to want to use every time. And those are going to be the color balance, which will make sure that every color looks like it should in the video. It will be brightness and contrast, where we can make the video look a little bit better. And then we will also use sharpening, where depending upon the camera that you're using, it can make your video look a lot sharper. But I wanted you to be familiar with what this video effects was before I address that in those upcoming videos. Video effects is where we change the look of our video. Very easy to use in Sony Vegas.